My name is Sam Howard. I've been here demoing the TH3. It's got plenty of power, it's not lacking at all, it's very precise, put it exactly where you need it, stable. There's nothing that I haven't been able to lift yet. I can't complain with the ease of use. You can see everything, visibility is great, all the buttons, joysticks are in the right place. Yeah, it's really ergonomic. Operator comfort is superb. The stability of the machine, I can't fault, it never moves. It doesn't matter where you're at, where you're positioned, it's always solid. Yeah, it could definitely improve how companies work alongside roads, doing large dismantles of trees. Like I say, it's very precise, quick, effective, efficient and safe. So the cab inside is comfortable, spacious, everything's where you need it to be. The visibility on the cab is great. You can see all around you, see right down the other side of the boom, down the other side of the machine, all round ideal for what this is, especially working in alongside fellow people. The controls feel nice to use, you can feel everything that you need to feel. It's smooth, precise and effective. Yeah, overall a great comfy cab. Overall, it's a great machine. The comfort's great, visibility's great, the power, it's got plenty of power and it's stable, safe, precise, everything you need really for dismantling large trees.